Speaking God, guess he gon' bless you. My bro told that gun, he was that John like the utensil. I got G.O.D, so I don't really need a pistol.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. So right now I'm in where I'm at. I'm in Maryland, aka Merlin. That's how they say it out here, Merlin. I'm in Hagerstown, I don't know, Hagerstown, Maryland. That's how I say it. So I'm in Hagerstown, Maryland at this pilot. I'm at this pilot. There's a lot of stuff, but I came across this one. It's called Big Papi's. It's a Hispanic restaurant. I think it's a Mexican restaurant to be specific. They had, tacos, burritos, carne asada, fries, nachos, all the basics, chimichangas. I don't know about chimichangas, but they had a lot of stuff. So what I got though, that I never heard of, I'm a little ashy, huh? Let me go fix that, bro. Nah, and we got to deal with the ash. But what I got that I never heard of in my life, let me double check the name. Quesobirria pizza. Yeah, so I got one Quesobirria pizza, and I got some churros. Right, boom. Now basically these reviews that I'm doing, these food reviews that I do, I buy food. Yes, I'll be hungry all the time, but I really, it's really meant for truckers who, they want some good food. They want to know what's good in the area that they're stopping at. They want to know, like, yo, am I gonna waste my money? But have no fear. Big Dog is here, all right? So look, I got the Quesobirria pizza. Yeah, I'm a first glance, it looked regular. This is what it looked like. Come on, look, it got a dent in my Quesobirria, look. But yeah, when they bring it to you, it is gonna be kind of cold, man. They got my stuff cold, man. Quesobirria. Okay, look, boom. It's a little cold, man. But I guess what can you expect is DoorDash, but it's a little cold, but it looked delicious. It smells delicious. All right, then we got the, hold on. Now it won't be, so now this is hot. It won't be Quesobirria without the Quesobirria. Oh, Quesobirria. Queso cheese, birria, queso. It's okay, I just figured it out. I'm a genius, low key. Quesobirria. Queso is cheese in Spanish. Birria is birria in Spanish. So basically, it's a quesadilla. Ooh, I'm smart. But yeah, Quesobirria, here's the birria juice, birria sauce. And then also, I got the churros. Woo! Now these smell delicious. Look at that. Oh. They say don't eat the dessert before dinner, but guess what? I'm a grown man, I do what I like. I do what I please. Let me first tell. I'm let down. So in total, this thing was $40. $40 on this food. We got 30 something on this Quesobirria and $7 for the churros, right? Churros go for $1 or $2, you know what I mean? But like I said, they look good. They smell good, but they don't taste good. Real talk, they chewy. It's hard on, it's like a little ASMR for you. Hold on. You think they're crunchy, nice and crunchy? Nah. I'll feed it to a bird. I want to feed it to a pigeon, low key. But I guess there ain't no pigeons in Maryland. But yeah, let me taste this Quesobirria, man. I could be speaking too soon. We go see sauce. See, and look, the thing is, I told them to drizzle this on my thing so it could be fresh, right? But I feel like this has been sitting here for the, waiting for the next person to come in. That's why it's so cold. But low-key, it's about to get colder if I keep on talking. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat. All these limons. Without further ado, come on, at least cut my stuff all the way through. Come on, dude. Golly. But without further ado, and like I said, the point of these videos are to, basically to see if food places are worth truckers' time, worth truckers' money. So this was $40. So far, the churros was a waste of money. Don't do it. Quesabirria, I had a first bite. First bite was not bad. Let me try the other bite. It's delicious. It's for sure. It's for sure. Can't even describe it. But now this is good. I really just wish it was hot. Because low-key it's cold. And I wish they cut. Y'all can't tell, but look, I wish they cut. At least cut my quesabirria. You know what I'm saying? Just cut it. But let me, got to dip it. You got to dip it now. It's good. Oh my God. Oh, look. When you eat this food, when you eat this type of food, the Mexican food, hold up. When I eat this food, this is the song that this is what's going on in my brain. When I eat this food, when I took this first bite, my brain, first thing my brain went to, first place my brain went to was like, oh, this is good. Mid-sentence. This is the next thing that popped in my head. Look. That's the Macarena. Look. But all jokes aside, man, this place right here is actually a good spot. Food that would actually, my quesadilla was delicious. Even if it was cold, it was still delicious, right? Churros taste is good, but it was extra chewy because I know it's been sitting, right? So I feel like this would be a perfect place to go if your food was fresh. So this is not a place you can DoorDash and get your money's worth. This is a place you would have to go in, get your money's worth. So it's 3 miles from the Pilot. I don't know if they have truck parking, but this is not a place to get it DoorDash. And if you do get it DoorDash during like lunch rush. That way, it's fresh food. Right now it's 7 o'clock. So this food probably hasn't been sitting for a while. So actually I got to try it with this sauce, this other sauce. Try it with this sauce, this here sauce. Let me try it with this sauce right here. Ooh, that sauce is good. That sauce is good. Hold up. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Man, that sauce is delicious. I gotta wipe stuff on my face.